Okay, team, so it's probably been a little while since you've looked at statistics and some of the terminology that we might be using. So when we talk about data, we've got two types. So we've got numerical here, which of course is numbers. So numerical numbers, just keep that in mind, you know, that N and N, that'll help you make sense of which is which. And then categorical, so it's all about words, so you fit into a category rather than giving it a numerical or number value. Okay, so then from those, so each of the two types has two subcategories, I guess you'd call them. So in numerical, you've got continuous, so and you've got an infinite number of options. So if we talk about height, for example, or age, so height can be anywhere, you know, from 160 centimeters to 170, and we've got each of the decimal places in between those. So you're not limited to whole numbers. And again, when you're looking at age, you can be, you know, you're not just 13, you might be 13 in 1 month, 13 in 2 months, 13 in 3 months, and so on. If we look at discrete, so the other type, you do have a limited number of options. So if you're looking at shoe size, so generally shoe sizes, you are, you know, an 8, 9, 10, 11. They don't have, you know, an 8.1, 8.2, 8.3. And the number of children, you can't have half a child. So you are limited to those whole number categories. All right, so then we come over to our categorical data. So remember, fitting into a category. So ordinal, so it has a hierarchy. And I guess this is one of the more complex to comprehend. So we're looking at, you know, our pain severity. So is it low, medium, high, you know, on a scale, where are you sort of fitting? Satisfaction rating or your mood. So it actually has, you know, that gradual range in it that you're going to select one of those categories. Nominal is just you're picking an option. So be it, you know, eye color, there's no hierarchy there. You know, one color is not more or less than the other. Same with, you know, the type of animal you have at home, like for example, your pet, blood type, etc. So you're just nominating which category you fit into. So hopefully just that's a nice little refresher on the types of data that we might come across. So each of these will have a way that they work to be displayed better than the other. And we'll go on to those next. Too easy.